guys, in today's lesson we're going to talk about how do you know if a triangle is congruent to another triangle. So the first thing is you got to know the word congruent means that is the same. Now when you have a triangle, guys, when you have a triangle, actually let's draw a nice little triangle for you guys. When you have a triangle, this triangle consists of three angles. We have three angles, and it also consists of three sides. Three sides. If you're comparing two triangles, guys, all you need are three of these things. Three things. Whether it's two angles in one side, or two sides in an angle, or all sides, etc. As long as you confirm three things that are equal, you got yourself a chance at proving their congruence. So let's go over the first three, guys. The first one is called the SSS rule. In other words, it's the side, side, side. So how do you know if a triangle is congruent to each other? Well, if you got all sides, if this side is equal to this side and so forth, you know they are congruent. Because there is a big rule you need to follow. A very important rule. You can only skip one unknown at a time. What does that mean? That means that in this case, we don't know the angles, right? We only know the sides. Well, listen, if I'm at this side and I want to go to the next side, I'm only skipping one thing I don't know. Same thing over here. I'm only skipping one thing I don't know. And same thing over here. I'm only skipping one thing to get what I want. So because I'm only skipping one thing, it works. The SSS works. Let's go with SAS. In this case, everything is so bunched up together, which is perfect. I'm not skipping anything if I go this way. The SAS stands for side, angle, side. So we know the side is equal, the angle is equal, and the side is equal. If I wanted to go the opposite way, this is how the rule works. I cannot skip one thing, two things, three things I don't know. In this case, we don't know this angle, we don't know this side with this side, and we don't know this angle with this angle. So therefore, we cannot be going downward. We have to go the upward direction, because that's how we know it's the things we know. It's side, angle, side. You could also go on this way too. Side, angle, side. It doesn't matter. Now for the ASA, it's angle, side, angle. And once again, everything's close to each other. We have an angle we do know, a side we do know, and another angle we do know. Doesn't matter which way you go. It's angle, side, angle. And those are the first three we're going to talk about right now. In our next video, we'll talk about a more challenging types of rules.